Hello friends, myself Dr. Prem Sagar, Assistant Professor, Department of Veterinary Medicine, Sahid Raja Hari Prasad Mal, State Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss a very common remedy used frequently in our OPDs for the children and infants complaining the digestion problem, diarrhea and vomiting, even the convulsion, and along with that the very good remedy for the examination form. We are talking about the Aethusa cynipium. Aethusa cynipium belongs to the vegetable kingdom remedy and its natural order is umbellifera. Its common name is garden hemlock, dog's parsley and fool's parsley. Aethusa cynipium. Aethusa cynipium come from the two word ethuso, which means to set on fire due to its acrid taste of the juice, and cynipium, the Q means the dog. Why it is called fool's parsley? A very big question. The answer we got from our Dr. Master, Dr. Clark, who said fool's parsley has not received its name for nothing. It is indeed the medicine for the fools. How it is made? The mother tincture is prepared from the whole plant, and from there dilutions are made. Sphere of action. The sphere of action, the nervous system, glandular system, mucous membrane and skin are the main sphere of action of the Aethusa cynipium. Physiological action. How physiological action or the medicine effects in our body. Whenever a person unfortunately ate these leaves or plant, they have the urgent, they have you can say this agent produce vomiting, convulsion and pains and deliriums, which are characterized by a very great violence. On other hand, there is prostration, somnolence and extreme weakness of both mind and body. Though its action on the mind, it is known as fool's parsley, as it produce and correct the deranged mentality. The cases of poisoning have been characterized by the vertigo, cardialgia, nausea, extremely painful gagging and vomiting, thirst, trismus, tetanus, eclampsia, convulsion and delirium with a slow pulse and coma. Body makeup, constitution. Physical makeup. It is a predominantly a children's remedy, especially for the children's during dentition of in hot summer weather who cannot bear milk in any form. Children who can't stand, unable to hold the head. They will always the neck like this. Always they can't hold their hold their neck properly. Great weakness, prostration and sleepiness. They are always sleepy, lethargy, tired, and they have a very special peculiar facial expression. Only by the facial expression or observing the face you can prescribe the Aethusa cynipium. The facial expression is have expression of great anxiety and pain. This drawn condition is the well-marked linea nasalis. Linea nasalis is you can see here the line of white or marked line, along with that our orbicularis oris, and will be the herpetic eruptions on the end of nose. Here in the side you can see the herpetic eruptions. And what Dr. Kent say that pale Hippocratic face with whitish bluish pallor around the lips and shrunken face indicates the remedy. Only while observing the face you can prescribe the remedy. The linea nasalis, the anxious and painful expression, the pale Hippocratic face, white bluish color around the lips, the sunken eyes indicates this remedy. And the mental symptoms are also very peculiar to the children and frequently for the adults. Are great anguish and crying. The children are always crying, and so that the mother cannot understand why the baby is crying. And the disease progress, the patient comes more and more close in this disposition and is more inclined to weep. And it is very good remedy for the examination funk. Examination funk from the inability to think or to fix attention after a lot of input in our brain, in our mind, or during the exams. You have brain fag mislead, so that you have zero, you feel that you are a zero, you have nothing in your mind, and you can't attention at your studies or your books. You can't even think what I am learning, what I am not learning. You will never differentiate. For that, it is very good remedy. Athija Sanipia. Temperaments is dull, idiotic, and confused. Diathesis is nothing particularly marked. Thermal reaction, hot patients are there. And if we go for the miasmatic background, tri-miasmatic, but predominantly it is antishoric medicine. Now we go for the keynotes. What are the key features of the Athija Sanipia? First of all, it is especially for the children during dentition in hot summer. Children who cannot bear milk in any form, you give cold milk, they vomit. You will warm milk, they vomit. You will give curd, they will vomit. You will give any milk product, they will vomit. And after vomiting, they have great weakness. Great weakness is so great that the child cannot hold his head, unable to stand properly. Prostration and sleepiness. Hold is always like this. They will drop his head, always down head. Idiocy in children. They are very confused. They are unable to think, and they have expression of great anxiety or pain. They have expression of great anxiety and pain with a drawn, well-marked linea nasalis. Linea nasalis you can see especially in the gastric troubles in children's, and in old, if you see in old age or adults, it may be indication of the cancer of the stomach or any GIT trouble, liver problem, any other problem. Features are expressive of pain and anxiety, and herpetic eruption at the end of nose, and there is complete absence of thirst, like apis and pulsatilla. The intolerance of milk, they cannot bear milk in any form. Either you give milk product, bottle fed, mother milk, any milk. They vomit in a large curd as soon as taken. They vomit as just they have taken the milk, then will vomit. And there will be the weakness caused by drowsiness. And it is a very good remedy for the teething children's. Indication of teething. Violent sudden vomiting of frothy milk, milky white substance or yellow fluid, followed by a curdled milk and cheesy matter. Along with there will be dyspepsia, indigestion, regurgitation of food an hour or so after eating, copious grainous vomiting. Here, why that regurgitation, indigestion? If you go for the Dr. J.T. Kant, he say that they are nibblers. They always hungry, always eating something, sometime milk, sometime anything. They are always feeding themselves. They are feeding themselves with. They always have crackers, chips, kurkure, anything they always eat. And after a lot of feeding the board, their stomach is become now rejecting the things. They will not digest. Or they will say, no, I will not digest all the things. Then they will dyspepsia, indigestion will occur, and which leads to the vomiting. And Athija Sanipia is a very good medicine for the epileptic spasm, convulsions. And the main peculiar thing about the convulsions is that they have clenched thumbs like this. They will inside clenched thumbs, mutti band ho gayi, and their eyes are downward and pupils are dilated. The eyes turns downward and pupil turns dilated and fixed, and there will be foam from the mouth, jaws locked, pulse slow and small, hard and faint. Along with that, after convulsion, there will be weakness and prostration with sleepiness, and after vomiting, after stool and after span, there will be weakness always after vomiting stool, also they will become sleepy, lethargic, prostrated, even after convulsion. Then aggravation, the main aggravation of this remedy comes under the 3 to 4 a.m. in hot summer weather, during dentition, after sleep, after eating, after vomiting, eating and drinking, and there will be emulsion in the sedentary habits, cold. Now we will hope we understand the exercise two frame. Two extremes are there in the exercise. First, you see that violence, and second is prostration and weakness. You see violence in every symptom: violent pain, violent delirium, violent convulsion, violent vomiting, violent starting, and palpitation. They have very violent pain, very severe pain in the abdomen. They have very violent delirium. They will not very severe delirium. Convulsion, very violent, very fearful like that. Violent vomiting, sudden. Starting the sleep and start sudden violent, very violently, and palpitation, thought, 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 thought. And again, the next we go for this great weakness. Other pole we go great weakness. Great weakness and prostration you see in both sides, at the mental level and physical level. If you go for the mental level, you see that they have inability to think or fix attention. Prostration and sleepiness. Dotage. Dotage just like that oldest people having that confusion. You can say that in Hindi used to say Satyana. Okay? Then they have great anguish and crying. Children are very anguish and crying. And that the weakness you say see in body. Child cannot hold his head, child cannot stand, unable to hold his head, unable to digest anything, everything. Okay? Then why this symptom come? If you understand, try to understand where is the problem in the Ethuzabi, how this problem come. So we will see that there is two, three things are there. That one thing is that mother-infant misunderstanding. That child is always crying and anxious. The mother thinks that my baby is whatever the digestive trouble, they will be crying. And mother thinks that my baby is very she is hungry. She will feed regularly. Okay, you are crying, feed, crying, feed. Either bottle or breast milk. Crying, feed, crying, feed, crying, feed. So the mother can't understand why my baby is crying. Only she will do that. Okay, baby is crying, feed. Baby is crying, feed. Then let further after a lot of feeding and the thing, and the child may be that show an intolerance of milk, perhaps even milk allergies. They will intolerance of milk in any form, cold milk, hot milk, bottled milk, mother's milk, or anything. And this there will be episodes of diarrhea, especially in summer, with lack of thirst. Along with that, vomiting will be there, violent vomiting. And normally the dehydration from diarrhea brings to the sensation of thirst. And along with that, feeding. Feeding you can see the remedy for also used for students who have stuffed, pap, and all the sorts of knowledge, and who errantly reject anything and to do with their studies. They will feeding. They are who are the students who are stuffed with all sorts of knowledge and who errantly reject anything to do with the studies. Okay. Along with that, our Kent sir also said that in a properly fed babies, the children who have constant feeding, in those children who have constant feeding, in those who hungry fellows who are always eating, always nibbling, always taking crackers in their pocket until there comes a time when the stomach ceases to act. So improperly fed babies, and what I say that unable to digest, unable to digest anything, or either is whatever you feed, they will unable to digest, either on mental level or a physical level. If mental level you see that due to over taxation, they have to over study, they have inability to think or fixed attention, and our animals have said that lack of power of concentration, and this will lead to the examination funk. And at physical level you see that aversion to, they will reject, unable to digest milk or food, vomiting or diarrhea just after eating or drinking, cannot bear milk in any form, copious greenish vomiting, curd like vomiting, and regurgitation of food an hour or so after eating. So the next become that personality of the children. Personality of the SNPM. Before personality, we go for the child of the children of the SNPM. You see that they are very lean, they are very anxious and anxious expression with lazy nasalis, and they have improperly fed babies who are always eating always, and that their stomach used to seize, and they have vomiting and diarrhea, sudden and violent vomiting, diarrhea, vomiting of milk or curd like vomiting, and diarrhea of yellowish stool. And then we go for the that spasm in children with spasm. They had the clenched thumbs, downward eyes, pupil dilated and fixed, red face, and with linea nasalis. Then we come for the personality of the, this is a medicine for the children, but even you can, if you see this personality or this medicine we can use in adults also. Let's see how we can use this medicine and without how a personality of Aethius NPM develops. Aethius NPM people are usually a loner, introverted and isolated person. They are so isolated, they introverted, they were unwilling to communicate or express their deep emotions. You ask in clinic, you ask, so sir, what is there? What, they will not say anything. Okay, no, I am okay, and this and this, and because of introverted, they don't have any cause why they don't share their things, their problems or their expression. They why do not say? They don't any cause. You ask why sir you are not express or thing, or you are not sharing your emotions to others. I don't know why, I don't know. Then they along with for that they are introverted, so they talk to themselves, sitting alone talking themselves, blah 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 blah, and talk to animals like pets, cats. They will talk to a long time. They will sit with a dog and talk to dog, how are you, what this. They all share all their emotions to the animals. The mental symptoms peculiar to the children, frequently adults, a great anguish and crying as the disease progresses, and the patient becomes more and more closed in his disposition and is more inclined to weep. Always weeping. Why weeping? No. They move to tears. They, as just NPM baby, move to tears, but do not know actually why crying. Taken. Emotion felt inside. They don't know feel why they are crying, but they feel to cry. Emotions felt inside. And other hand, Ignatia is also a weeping medicine. Moved to tears but constricted at the throat. Ignatia will want to cry. They have tears in their eyes, but they have constricted feeling in the throats. There's something is there that they will not cry. Strong, they have Aethius NPM baby have or personality have strong attachment to the animals, look after them with unnatural passion. They are going to the on road, saw injured dog or animal, they will bring to their home, they will take care of them a lot, they will talk to him, they will share all their feelings to him, but they don't talk to the people. And they have so much connection or strong attachment to the animals, so that they have delusion of rat or mouse running across the room. They will see that delusion, that they're seeing, that they say that they're seeing the mouse and running in the chair, under the chair, in their room. They're very introverted, so loner. So along with that, they are social worker. Why social worker? The emotional energy may be directed into their emotional energy. They have the pain and in their inside too, and their loneliness and strong attachment to the a person. You can say means animals are a person where they need, they can't help themselves, like animals, like poor people. So they will go for the social work. They have good, very good with social worker, and they will be, they have fear of sleep. They start in sleep with fright and fear of closing eyes, that if they close their eyes, they will not open, they will not wake up. Okay. And Ignacia is also having the fear of sleep, but Ignacia didn't sleep because she feels that if she will sleep, they will never sleep again, and they will slave during the sleep, and even they have the walking in the sleep. And along with that, there is very big. The person come and says, "Sir, I don't want to go for operation." Why you don't go for operation? Sir, if I will be anesthetized, or I will um, under my coma, that I will not open. If I sleep, I will not open. So I feel, if I am unconscious, then I will not be waken and not able to wake up. So they were fear of operation. Very good remedy along with that for the examination form, as earlier I told. And now that you have the main, what are the keynotes, if you want to memorize shortly the Aethusias Cynepium, you can have some mnemonics, like Aethusias Cynepium, you go for the A for the absence of thirst, E for the expression of great anxiety and pain, T total intolerance of milk, H herpetic eruption around the end of nose, U unable to hold the head, unable to stand, S for spasm with clenched thumbs, red face, eye turns downward, pupils dilated and fixed. A adopted during the dentition of children. Okay, this is the all about uh, insight of Aethusias Cynepium. Here we can differentiate some children dentition remedy during and vomiting during dentition, like calcarea carb. Calcarea carb is complementary to the Aethusias Cynepium. They also have the diarrhea during dentition, but in fat and flabby children with head sweating with sleep during sleep. Other medicine, Veratramol, they have prostate, profuse diarrhea, vomiting, sweat on forehead, prostration and collapse. Arsenicum also have diarrhea, vomiting, restless and cold sweats. Valeriana is very good remedy for children vomiting. Child vomits, curdled milk in large lumps, same as in stools, as soon as it has nursed or fed, after mother has been angry. Antim-tart also have the vomiting in any position except in lying on right side until he faints. Vomit until he faints, followed by drowsiness and prostration. Cholera with diarrhea, cold sweats and sleepiness. This is a vomiting of vomiting medicine during dentition along with Aethusias Cynepium. and this is all about little insight to the Athlete's synechium. In further lectures, we will discuss about some other remedy. Okay, thank you.